Today, I'll show you how to center text on Substack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to format your text so it's perfectly centered in your posts. I'll keep it simple and move through each part of the process at a comfortable pace so you can follow along in your own Substack editor. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in to your existing account. If you're new to Substack, you'll need to create an account before you can start writing, but once that's done, you'll land on your main dashboard or publication page. This is your home base where you'll see your posts and basic controls. Once you're on Substack, look for the option to create something new. This is usually labeled Create and is often found at the top of the page or in a visible toolbar. Click on Create to start a new piece of content. Substack will then show you different types of content you can publish, such as posts, emails, or other formats, depending on what features you have. From those options, click on Article. This tells Substack that you want to write a standard post, the kind that appears on your publication page and can be emailed to your subscribers. After you select Article, Substack will open up the main editor. This is the writing area where you'll add your title, subtitle, and body text. At the top of the editor, you'll see a field for your title. Click into that space and type your article title. This is the main heading that your readers will see first, so make it clear and descriptive. Just below the title field, there's an optional subtitle field. Here you can add a short supporting line that gives extra context or teases what the article is about. Adding a subtitle isn't required, but it can help draw readers in and clarify your topic. Once your title and subtitle are in place, move down into the main body area and start writing your content. Click into the blank space and begin typing your text. You can write a full article, a short announcement, or even just a few lines to test the formatting. As you type, Substack automatically saves your work, so you don't need to worry about losing what you've written. Now, to center your text, highlight the specific part of your content that you want to align. This could be a line of text, a quote, a heading, or even a short paragraph. Once the text is selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the editor. Among the formatting options, you'll see controls for alignment. These usually include left, center, and right alignment icons. With your text still highlighted, click on the alignment control and choose the center option. As soon as you click center, you'll see your selected text move into the middle of the writing area. This is how it will appear to your readers when the post is published. If you change your mind, you can always reselect the text and switch back to left alignment later. And that's all there is to it. You've gone from opening Substack to creating a new article, adding a title and subtitle, writing your content, and finally centering your text using the alignment options at the top of the editor.